I'm outside, they wanna know where I'm at. Brand new Batmobile, mad black. Creeping with my steel backpack. I keep popping pills on pills, I thought I was done. Yeah, if I catch your body, I'm going on a run. Yeah, they don't want no smoke.
All right, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. You know what I'm saying? And today we're gonna be taking a car to its first ever car meet in like 3 years. We're gonna be hitting up the Kuruma versus Low Ballers meet group out in Cali that always comes down here every year to host like these big ass meets. Pause, by the way. It'll be my first meet taking any car that I've owned since my STI in 3 years. So that's a little exciting for me. I just got the car driving. The meet is only like 5 minutes, so I think we'll be straight. This is what we're looking like. The car is mad dirty. I have not cleaned it. Sheesh. The fronts are rubbing really bad. It's whatever. It's only when I turn, and then you can see how close it is right here. I had to also take out camber because I need extended outer tie rods for me to run any more tilt, because the more tilt I add, the more towed in it gets from extending my lower. So it's not too bad anymore, but it's still definitely, I want more tilt. That lip, I'm hoping stays on when I go over my gate rail. A couple of the homies are already there. I'm showing up mad late, but it is what it is. Let's hope I get there. So fucking hot right now. I'm hoping I can get there in one piece. I'm really nervous because my tie rods are held in by like maybe 2 to 3 threads, but the only reason I'm a little scared is because my gate rail, ever since I busted the trans pan, I've been like shitting bricks every time. Should be all right, hopefully. You know what I'm saying? Made it out. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, we out. You know what I'm saying? So let's head down to the meet.
A few moments later.
Well, I didn't make it far. He beat it. Fuck. Whatever. It's all good. Help has arrived, looking ass. Damn. Bro, not even 2 minutes.
It is your first time seeing the car?
It looks good. The fronts is crazy. God damn, what? Oh my God. That's good. It's good. Damn. Bro, I thought I... Clean cut too. Other side's getting like that.
Other side's about to go, dog.
Yeah, you feel it?
I can see it. There's so much rubber in there.
Yeah. I take the strut out, bro, and just take off the top hat and cut it. Or a height thing.
Yeah.
Oh man, that gonna look so goofy. Do you guys still flip that?
Nope. I mean, okay.
I don't know. No, it's the filler neck.
You have a rubber on the filler neck?
No, it's there's the evap line, that evap line.
Right quarter mile.
Bro, I was like, damn, like I'm out the complex, like, are we just rubbing a little bit? Fuck.
Not a little bit, no.
All I heard right here, I heard pew, and then I just heard the barrel on the ground.
Oh, because I was at the entrance. I saw the first like message you sent. I was like, what the fuck? And then I said Deb, and I'm like, oh, he fucking DB'd it, bro, no.
Fuck, dude.
Yeah. That's tough.
It's okay. At least it happened here.
Hey,
I'll just need to figure out what to do next.
Z-stocks, man. Fuck.
Bro, the ground is so hot.
Yeah. Nice ass shirt. Yeah,
I know my new shirt.
oh yeah. Which I have created, not on me, but I have created pictures at the crib.
The fact that I'm ruining brand new tires, almost 4 brand new tires.
Hey, the car looks crazy though. That shit
Fuck.
look bad. On the other side though.
On the DB.
You want to do these?
So I lost a bunch of footage on my camera. I managed to get some B-roll. So enjoy this little edit.
You feel me? You feel me? Shout out, you know what I'm saying? Low ballers, Ruma. Feel me out here? Hey, you can't show rich though.
Yeah,
you can't show rich. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
Got ops out here, feel me? But feel me? We out here just chilling. And I want this.
All right, you know what I'm saying? Good turnout. It's hot as fuck. Been here for a couple hours, you know what I'm saying? Threw the shirt back on that side, you feel me? Let's show them the other side though. Wah, wah, wah. Crazy DB. Another one bites the dust. How good is what it is. You wanna try and get home, 5-minute drive, you know what I'm saying? But driving, it's moving. It got to one spot, you know what I'm saying? The flea markets. You know about those. I'm pretty sure the barrel's good. Looks all right, but a couple freshies kinda right there that I'm gonna throw back on and fix this fitment for 2 weeks. But anyways, man, if y'all enjoyed the video and y'all stay to the end, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new as well. Stay tuned for that next upload. Should be coming out soon. And yeah, it's your boy Crash, and I'm out.
Pills on pills, I thought I was done. Yeah, if I got your